Good morning, students. Today we'll be learning about distance of a point from a line. So, for example, this is the line. Okay, I have an equation of this line, and this is the point that I have to find. Okay, so I have to find the distance. The distance, always the distance is a perpendicular distance I'm talking about, not this kind of distance, slanting distance. I'm talking about perpendicular distance between the point and the line. Let's say the point is P, okay, and it's x1 comma y1 are the coordinates. These are the coordinates of this point, and I have to find the distance between this line and this point, and the distance I can just name it by D. Okay, so I'll just put a dotted line so that I can form a triangle. Now in this I'll teach you guys a formula for finding D, how to find the distance between a point and a given line. Okay, so I hope you'll get something out of this. And first of all, before moving forward, we'll just try to understand what is this point and what is this point. Let's say the equation of this line is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. The equation is always in this form, right? Ax plus by plus c equals to 0. Okay, now what you need to know is that what is this point. For example, यहाँ पे अगर ये point है तो क्या 0 होगा मेरे पे, y 0 होगा. तो अगर y 0 है मेरे पे, अगर मैं y की जगह 0 डालता हूँ, so it's gonna be ax plus c equals to 0 because this is going to become 0. So I'm figuring out this point. So I know that x, I'm finding out x. What is x going to be? So x is equals to minus c over a. So ये इसके coordinates क्या होंगे? 0, minus c over a. I hope you guys are getting it. How did the coordinates came? Now this point, I'll just find the coordinates of this point also. You know what is 0? X is 0 and this point. So I'll just write x is 0. What is going to be b? So if I take this as 0, so what is left with me? by plus c equals to 0. So y is equals to minus c over b. Okay, so what are the coordinates of this? Minus c over b, 0 comma minus c over b. Okay, so I got the coordinates of this also. Sorry, over here x was, I'm sorry for this, minus c upon a comma 0. Y is 0 in this. Okay, so these are the coordinates of this. So I hope you understood what we are trying to learn in this video. What we are learning in this video is finding the distance between a given point and the given line. So the point will be given, maybe 3 comma 4, yeah, 3 comma minus 2. The point will be given and the equation of a line will be given. We are understanding how to find the formula. Okay, even most of you guys don't like when I tell you guys how to find the formula. Then you guys can just go with this formula. If you guys don't like the formulas, D is equals to a x1 plus b y1 plus c, and then square root a square plus b square. You can just go ahead with this formula, try solving all the questions. I'll be solving the questions in this video as well. So if you guys don't like where did the formula come from, but anyhow some of you guys want to know where did the formula came from, so for those students who wants to know where did this formula came up from, I'll just explain you this. Okay, so let's try understanding how does this work. Okay, so I'm gonna find this is a and this is b, so I'm gonna find the distance between a and b. So finding the distance between a and b, you know how to find the distance between a and b, right? A and b का कैसे distance ढूंढते हैं हम? What is the formula? X square x1 minus y1, okay, sorry, x1 minus x2 plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Okay, that's how we find the formula of any distance. So what I'll do, 0, because x2, okay, I'll just write the formula first. x2 minus x1. okay, इधर की बात कर रहा हूँ मैं, ये x1 इसलिए नहीं लिख रहा हूँ क्योंकि ये x1 है, तो ये just assuming इसका distance ढूंढने के लिए I'm just saying this is x1 y1 x2 y2. ठीक है, x2 का whole square plus y2 minus y1 का whole square. Okay, so here we go. ओके, सो ए बी का डिस्टेंस ढूंढना है मुझे। ए बी का डिस्टेंस कैसे ढूंढते हैं हम लोग? x2 क्या है 0 माइनस c अपॉन 2। ओके, सो माइनस c ओवर a का होल स्क्वायर प्लस y2 इज माइनस c ओवर b, y1 is 0 ka whole square. Okay, so AB you'll get, what will you get? AB as you'll get this c square over a square plus c square over b square. This is what you're going to get after you solve this. And when you इन दोनों का LCM निकालोगे तो आपके पास AB की क्या वैल्यू आ जाएगी? c ओवर AB, ये तो बाहर आ जाएगा c और AB, और बचेगा क्या? a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर। सो ये आपकी किसके डिस्टेंस निकल गया? आपका, ये आपका इस लाइन का डिस्टेंस निकल गया। नाउ लेट्स फाइंड द एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी पी। एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी पी, हाउ टू फाइंड? एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी पी इज इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, राइट? सो इक्वल्स टू हाफ इंटू बेस, व्हाट इज दिस? इज बेस फॉर मी। सो बेस इज सी ए बी, दिस इज एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू, मतलब जो भी नेगेटिव होता है वो नेगेटिव नहीं निकलता, पॉजिटिव भी पॉजिटिव निकलता है, नेगेटिव भी पॉजिटिव निकलता है। सो इनटू दिस इज बेस, एंड व्हाट इज हाइट? हाइट इज डी, हाइट तो मैंने ऑलरेडी ले रखी है, डी है। सो दिस इज वन ऑफ द फॉर्मूला फॉर फाइंडिंग द एरिया ऑफ ए बी डी। ओके, एंड मेरे पास एक और फॉर्मूला है जो हमने वेरी पहली एक्सरसाइज में सीखा था 11.1, एरिया ऑफ ट्राइंगल ए बी डी, जहाँ पे तीनों पॉइंट्स होते हैं। ओके, जब मेरे पे तीनों कोऑर्डिनेट्स है, ये भी कोऑर्डिनेट्स है 0, माइनस सी और बी, ये वाला कोऑर्डिनेट्स भी है, ये वाला कोऑर्डिनेट्स भी है, ठीक है। तो आपके पास एक फॉर्मूला होता है, और वो फॉर्मूला क्या है? हाफ एब्सोल्यूट वैल्यू ऑफ x1 y2 माइनस y1 y3 0 प्लस सी बी। आप फॉर्मूला डाल के देख लेना, आपको पता लग जाएगा। आई एम जस्ट डायरेक्टली पुटिंग व्हाट इज माई आंसर गोइंग टू बी। ये x2 है और x2 तो जब मैं सॉल्व करता हूँ ये इन सबको, ये वाला फॉर्मूला के, आप यू कैन गो इन एक्सरसाइज 11.1, यू विल अंडरस्टैंड कि ये कहाँ से आया है, ठीक है। तो ये फॉर्मूला 11.1 एक्सरसाइज से आया, वेरी फर्स्ट एक्सरसाइज दैट वी डिड लर्न, और आप यू विल एंड अप गेटिंग दिस। सो दिस इज ऑल्सो एरिया, दिस इज ऑल्सो एरिया ऑफ ए बी पी, and this is also area of ABP. So I'm gonna say कि if both of them are area of ABP, I'm gonna put both of them equal. So what is going to be half C over AB and then A square plus B square into D equals to half, I'm keeping this also, C over AB and then AX1 plus BY1 plus C, and this can be cancelled, this and this can be cancelled, what is left? D इधर बचा है, मुझे मेरा मेन मकसद है D ढूंढना, D तो इसको अकेला छोड़ के इसको नीचे ले आऊँगा। तो व्हाट्स द फॉर्मूला? AX1 प्लस BY1 प्लस C अपॉन A स्क्वायर प्लस B स्क्वायर। सो दिस इज द फॉर्मूला दैट वी विल वर्क ऑन। ये आई टोल्ड यू इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑल्सो दिस वन, दैट ये फॉर्मूला जिसको पता नहीं है, यू कैन यूज दिस फॉर्मूला, ठीक है। व्हाट इज x1 and y1 in this? x1 and y1 are the point that is given, they are x1 and y1. Don't take it from x1 and y1 from the equation. What is a? A is the coefficient of this line, x का coefficient, b is y का coefficient, and c is constant term, and a and b again are these terms, and that's how you put the formula. Okay, so this is one formula that we'll be working on, and the second formula is, I'll just explain you what is also the second formula. We'll also learn how to find the distance between two parallel lines. So there are two parallel lines given, we'll learn how to find the distance between two parallel lines. When parallel lines are given, they won't give you parallel lines, they'll give you equation. For example, the equation of this is going to be ax plus by plus c, and for this it's going to be ax plus by plus k. I mean the equation is almost same. If you see, always for parallel lines all the equations are same, the only thing is the constant term are different. Okay, or this can be called intercepts are different. Okay, so if this is c, this is k. In the book it's given c dash, but I am taking as k over here. So how to figure out the formula for this? We'll use the same formula. D is equals to ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square. We'll use the same formula, okay, for finding the value. Now let's come to कि formula आएगा कैसे. Okay, जब हम parallel lines के बीच में देखेंगे, I'll choose one of the line. I'll choose this line. Out of this both of them, I'll choose one line and I'll say let x equals to 0. Let x equals to 0. So what is y going to be? Please try understanding this. What is y going to be? If this is 0, so by plus c equals to 0 bacha, and then y is equals to minus c over b. So what is y? So मुझे coordinates मिल गए. मुझे क्या coordinates मिल गए? 0, minus c over b. ओके, आप सबको समझ आ रहा होगा, मतलब मुझे पॉइंट मिल गया. तो ये पहले जैसा ही हो गया आपके पास. पहले में भी, इससे पहले वाले फॉर्मूले में भी क्या है, एक इक्वेशन होगी और एक पॉइंट दिया जाएगा. इसमें भी अब एक इक्वेशन हो गई और एक पॉइंट आप खुद ही ढूंढ ले रहे हो. कीप एनीथिंग एज 0 और दूसरे वाली की अपने आप वैल्यू आ जाएगी. I hope you guys are getting it. And then use this as x1 and this as y1 in this formula, and इस इक्वेशन में से आप क्या ले लोगे, x ले लोगे, सॉरी a ले लोगे, b ले लोगे और ये ले लोगे. Okay, that's how you'll use it. We'll use some of the questions in the formulas as well, and we'll try doing how does this question work in the formulas also. Okay, let's try doing some questions from the exercise. Okay, so there is the very first question and the very first part. Let's do one of the easy question and then we'll move on and try doing the other questions as well. So it says find the distance of the point from the line. So this is the point and this is the line given, the equation of a line, and then I have to put the formula. So distance equals to, I'll put the formula first, a x1 plus b y1 plus c upon a square and b square, right? Now d is equals to, let's see what happens. A is what? A is 3 into what is x1? 3, then plus b is minus 4 into y is minus 5 plus c is 26. You need to be very careful when you're taking, sometimes we take a b from here and there, so don't get confused, upon a square over b square. So 3 ka square plus 3 ka square and b ka square, that is minus 4 ka square. So what will I get? I'll get 9 plus 20 minus 26 over 25. Okay, and then this is going to be 3 over 5. So that's my answer. 3 over 5 is my answer. Okay, so that units, you can write units. That's how you find the answer of a point and the line. Okay, let's do some more questions on this. Okay, let's see. Now they said find the distance between 3x minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 7 equals to 0. So there are two equations over here and I have to find the distance between them. But you are going to say, sir, you didn't teach us this. How can we do a question on this? But I have taught you how to find the distance between parallel lines. And then you'll say, sir, how do you know that these two are parallel lines? I'll say, look at A. Is A same? Yes. Is B same? Yes. Okay, so I can find even M. Okay, so how to find M or the slope? Slope is minus 3 over minus 4, and this is going to come, is M1 is going to, and M2 is also going to come minus 3 over minus 4. If you see carefully, both the M are equal. 3 over 4 is the slope. So I can say जब slope same होता है, they both are parallel lines. Okay, so both of them are parallel lines. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this equation and say let x equals to 0. X equals to 0. So what is y going to be? If this is 0, then I'll get minus 4y plus 5 equals to 0. 4y can go over there, 5 equals to 4y, and 5 over 4 equals to y. So y equals to 5 over 4. So what are the coordinates I got from this? So the coordinates that I got is P point मैंने ले लिया इस लाइन में, ये कोई लाइन थी उसमें मैंने P point ले लिया, that is 0, 5 over 4. And then I have an equation of the other line, and I have to find the distance. So how to find the distance? You guys know very well. A x1 plus b y1 plus c a square plus b square. Okay, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the value of a. What is a? 3. 3 x1 is 0 plus minus 4 into 5 over 4 plus c 7 upon a square and b square, that is 3 ka square and 4 ka square, if that's okay with you. And then what, 4 and 4 get cancelled out, so it's going to be 0 minus 5 plus 7. So what will I get? Over 25, right? So minus 7, that is going to come 2 over 5 units. That's the distance between the two parallel lines, and that's how you find the distance between two parallel lines. I hope these questions are helping you guys how to solve questions from the exercise. Okay, some questions are not going to be very same, but I think I am helping you guys by solving some questions from the exercise. Okay, let's try solving question number 5. Question number 5 says, if the equation of the base of an equilateral triangle is x plus y equals to 2 and the vertex is 2 comma minus 1, then find the length of the sides of a triangle. I hope many of you guys might not have understood this, so I'm gonna explain you guys this with the help of a diagram. So if I have an equilateral triangle, don't forget that it's an equilateral triangle and all the equilateral triangle have 60-degree angles. This is also 60 degree. They said जो base है इसकी equation है x plus y equals to 2 and I'm making a perpendicular over here like this, and this is 2 comma minus 1. This vertex is 2 comma minus 1. Okay, I hope you understood. And what you have to find, you have to find the sides. Side, अगर एक side मिल गई, you have to you'll get all the sides of the triangle. Okay, so let's try solving this. I have an equation, I have a line, I have a point, I can find the distance, I can find this d, right? So if I make this equation a proper equation, this is a proper equation. So I'm going to find the d, that is the distance or the perpendicular distance. So d, I'm going to write the formula. You guys all know the formula, ax1 plus by1 plus c upon a square plus b square, right? And then what I'm going to do, d equals to ax1. What is a over here? If you guys notice very carefully, a is 1, b is 1. Okay, 1 into a into, that is 2, right, plus b into y1, 1 into minus 1, right, plus c is minus 2, so I'm writing minus 2 over here, over 1 ka square and 1 ka square. So d is equals to 1 into 1, 1 to the 2, plus sorry minus 1 and then minus 2. So if you notice over here, you're gonna cancel this out and what is left? Minus 1 तो 1 ही आ जाएगा. So 1 over root 2. आपको इसकी वैल्यू मिल गई 1 upon root 2. मिल गई कि नहीं? Now using trigonometry I can say sin 60 is equals to perpendicular over base or perpendicular over hypotenuse. If I look according to this angle, so I can say this is A. Okay, let's say this is A. So what I'll write, sin 60 is equals to root 3 over 2. यही होता है, root 3 over 2 equals to what is perpendicular? 1 upon root 2, and I don't know hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is A, so I'm gonna shift A over there and 1 upon root 2, और ये इधर जाके divide हो जाएगा, that is root 3 over 2, and then A is equals to 1 over root 2 into 2 over root 3. Okay, when you cancel this out, you'll get root 2 over root 3, which is going to be A is equals to 2 over 3 units. You can also write it like this. Okay, so that's how you solve questions on distance formula when you have a triangle or something like that. So you have to be very careful that they said this is a equilateral triangle. You have to keep that in mind. Okay, let's try solving question number 12. Question number 12 says, Question number 12 says find the equation of a line with slope -1. With slope -1 and perpendicular distance from the origin is. So if this is the equation, if this is the line, यहाँ से ये पॉइंट दे रखा है, यहाँ पे लिखा परपेंडिकुलर डिस्टेंस फ्रॉम द ओरिजिन, तो ये मुझे एक आंसर का हेल्प के लिए मिल गया, मतलब मेरे पे पॉइंट मिल गया 0,0. यू हैव टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस पॉइंट. यहाँ भी दिया जा सकता है, यहाँ भी दिया जा सकता है, यहाँ भी दिया जा सकता है. सो आई गॉट वन पॉइंट दैट इज 0,0. okay, and I got the distance also. What is distance? 5. Okay, but I have to find the equation. So what is the equation? I'm just writing ax plus by plus c equals to 0. I'm just writing the standard form of equation. But मुझे पता है m क्या होता है हमारे पास. m होता है a over b. m होता है माइनस a over b. और m मुझे ऑलरेडी दे रखा है. m क्या दे रखा है मुझे? -1 इक्वल्स टू माइनस a over b. कैंसिल आउट हो गया. ओके, कैंसिल आउट, माइनस माइनस. सो आई गॉट ए भी 1 है अगर मैं कंपेयर करूं, a इक्वल्स टू 1 एंड b इज ऑल्सो इक्वल्स टू 1 अगर मैं दोनों इक्वेशन को कंपेयर करूं. ओके, सो आई कैन पुट कि ये x प्लस वाई प्लस सी. आई हैव टू फाइंड c. इधर क्या आएगा? इधर तो 1 आ गया, इधर तो 1 आ गया, इधर क्या आएगा? a की जगह 1 लग गया, b की जगह 1 लग गया, इधर क्या आएगा? आई हैव टू फाइंड दैट. सो लेट्स गो टू द डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला. राइट, डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला says ax1 plus by1 plus c over a square plus b square. Right, this is what the distance formula says. D is equals to, what is a over here? A is 1 into what is x1? 0. Can you see this one? 0 plus b is 1 into y is also 0 plus c, I don't know what is c. और ये a स्क्वायर b स्क्वायर कितना है? 1 का स्क्वायर एंड 1 का स्क्वायर, दैट इज गोइंग टू √2. ठीक है, सो d इक्वल्स टू कुछ नहीं बचा यहाँ पे, बस c बचा अपॉन √2. d मुझे ऑलरेडी दे रखा है. व्हाट इज d? व्हाट डू यू थिंक? व्हाट इज d? d इज गिवन 5. सो 5 और √2 उधर से आएगा, 5 √2. सो c इज व्हाट? 5 √2. ओके, इसमें प्लस माइनस भी लिख सकते